so it's a more decisive fall for the market now. We're looking at a 0.5% drop coming through at the day's low. And this fall is being led largely by FMCG stocks, and banks are as wobbly as ever. In fact, Hindustan Unilever down nearly 5% now as we see it. Its other peer ITC is also trading lower. We're seeing weakness across the board. Cement, banking, very, very weak trends. Let's actually pull up a couple of banking stocks. HDFC Bank, Kotak Mahindra Bank, IDFC before its results. All these stocks trading on the downside, so it's looking a little tricky for the time being. Well, earnings season has been underway. Let's listen in to the commentary coming in from Motilal Oswal. How's it been for brokers?
Come down by 75% and remained at about 20-25%, more like 250 crores approximately. So the businesses have taken a major downturn, and I don't see any reason why when things are a little better, they will not come back. So in that backdrop, our broking revenues remained about 68 crores, which is kind of down 3-4% year on year. So kind of we are passing through a bottom of the cycle in broking business. Hopefully things don't turn very nasty in the quarters ahead, and we hope to see some recovery in latter part of the year because monsoons are very good, and we have seen all kinds of bad news right now, and apart from inflation now current account deficit issue has also come up. So my sense is that second half on the backdrop of political turnaround, hopefully things will be better for the business. As far as non-broking business is concerned, asset management fees were 13 crores, down about 18% year on year, purely because of weak sentiment in portfolio management services and all across the asset management business. And we had lumpy receipts from the private equity business, which is going to continue in this year also. So overall for the whole year, I think things will be much better than Q1 for this business. Other businesses, IB, which is very important part of our broking offering to the corporate world, and that remained very, very muted in Q1. But we have a very strong pipeline, and we think that rest of the year will be much better than the Q1, and we'll see recovery from that segment slowly picking up. So that will contribute to it's a high margin business, very high operating leverage. So my sense is that second half will be much better, and overall the year should look significantly better. Fund-based activities, because balance sheet is largely cash, we have about 1240 crores of net worth. Of that, almost 50-60% is deployed into the kind of interest yielding assets. So that has gone up by about 18%, combination of larger balance sheet and better yield. So that continues to do well, and we have a buyback program right now in progress. 62% of, am I correct?
Yeah, 62%.
62% of the promised program of about 7.5 million shares. About 4.7 million shares have been already bought, and it is on daily basis. It is on progress.
That's Motilal Oswal. Let's get you the Reliance Industries intraday graph. Now there is a reaction on the stock to this. It's a PIL.